Hi friends, myself Chandra Kumar. I'm taking electrical machine design of BTEC 7th semester electrical engineering student. In the previous lectures, we are discussing about the various components which we are associated with the electrical machine design as per the unit one. Now we are discussing about the electrical engineering materials. Electrical engineering materials will be associated with the different types of parameters which we associated like this. It will be covered under the insulation, different types of temperatures are there. So how we have to providing the protection against this type of situation where the high temperature will be existing across the machine. So we have to just protect the windings and the other components of the machine so that it never be break their temperature limit. So we are providing the different types of materials which we providing as an insulation for this. And under this category, in the previous lecture we are discussing we are discussing the some materials over there. Now the another material will be the epoxide thermosetting resins. These materials have assumed importance in casting, spotting, laminating, adhesive, and varnishing applications, and in the encapsulation of small transformers. So over here you are finding that this is the structure of the transformer which will be placed after providing the insulation over the winding, and now it will look like this. And these are the steps which we are finding that how we are making the insulation over the transformer winding, and it will be insulated against to make a connection between the two windings. So epoxide thermosetting resins will be using for this. These are the different combinations are there, different color combination will be available over here. And this will indicate about this will give you the insulation while after placing all the windings. Then we have to tighten the conductors with each other so that it never be moved away from the body. So we are providing a threading structure which will isolate the conductors and the insulation with each other, and it never will move out while we are transporting the transformer from one place to the another one, and like that. So there is a different kinds of colors are there because the application not even for the transformer, it can be applicable for the other types of machine. So we are providing this type of insulations are there. So this there will be the different colors are there, and as per the requirement of the customers and as per the look of the transformers, we are using the different combinations, different color combinations over there. Then next will be the synthetic resin. Synthetic resin basically it will be a bonded paper, cotton and glass. Fiber with synthetic resin laminates have good electrical and mechanical properties as sheets in large cylinders and tubes are available in nature. So we have the different colors with different shapes are available over here, and size will be different for this. This will be the this is the another sample of the synthetic resins which will be available for give the protection over the insulation of the core and the winding of the transformers or the machine. You are finding that there is another structure where we are given the insulation structure over there, and there is a different shapes are there, and it will be also available mm, um, for the machines which we are using for the mechanical purposes, civil purposes, or the automobiles and like that. So it will be give you the different types of insulation with a with a different colors of structure with different colors and structures are there. There will be some insulation which you are providing over the conductor so that the contact will be easy and never be break while we are operating the devices and like that. Next is will be the petroleum based mineral oil. They are extensively used in the cooling and insulation of immersed transformer. Immersed transformer means when the transformer is placed within the liquid, then the insulation, then that insulation, that then that will that type of Oil will be providing the insulation and the cooling process of the transformer. The characteristics of importance are chemically stable, expansion coefficient will be high, resistance to sliding by oxidation, and next will be the viscosity must be high. Their electric strength is good when they are clean and moisture proof in nature. So these are the some features will be associated with the petroleum-based mineral oil, so that will the transformer oil will provide two types of operation. One will be the cooling, and another one will be the insulation of the winding from the another part of the body of the transformer. Another type of material which we are using is the acryls. They are synthetic non-flammable insulating liquids which when decomposed by an electric arc evolve only as non-explosive gases. The dominant acryl is a 60 or 40 mixture of hexachloride, chlorodiphenyl, trichlorobenzyne, giving a low pour point and a satisfactory viscosity or temperature characteristic. So a combination of the material which we are obtained for this, it will be the better one because whenever it will be decomposed by electric arc, it never develop a explosive gases. So non-explosive gases will be released by this one and it also give a protection against the material whenever the devices are goes on heating up and it will be goes to the burning stage. So it will give you the insulation against the explosions. Applications of this one is can be used for between the core and the winding, can be used between the trans inner coil, between the coils, between stampings in a laminated core, between the commutator segments, and between the slip rings. So these are the different applications of this type of SQL material which will define their application as per the requirement of the previous machines which we opted, and it will be burned due to the non-satisfactory operation will perform by the machine during the operation. Thank you for attending the lectures on the engineering material. Thank you.